Let me show you around our wonderful garden. It is a small tour that I would love to show you what we have planted. As you can see, on this side there are these beautiful vegetables which are popularly known as muchicha, which are fully grown. And beside them, there are these other tiny ones which are still growing up. And as you can see on the other side of the vegetables, we have the tomatoes which are already ripened and are ready to be plucked off. There are so many other vegetables which we have planted, and I would love to show you more. So let's come along and see as you enjoy this video. Here you can see these are carrots. We also decided to plant carrots because carrots are good for the eyes, for the eyesight. And at the far end, these other vegetables that you are seeing, these are sukuma wiki. I could not be able to show you clearly because the muchicha had hidden them. So these are the sukuma wikis that we had planted. And yeah, there are so many other vegetables at the other end. So keep on watching as I show you more. Over here, we've just planted the potatoes and they have already matured. So that's why you are seeing that the leaves are not there. So it means that the potatoes are already there, matured, ready to be harvested. And here we can see one corn maize, and apart from the corn maize, there is more tomatoes that are fully grown, others are still green, and more corn, that is maize, and yeah, more of the maize are also there. And yeah, continue watching. Oops, and so sorry about the camera. It was actually misbehaving. I had to tilt it the other way, and finally it accepted. So continue. And we also planted spinach, just as you can see on the picture, on the photo picture. Those are the spinach that we managed to plant. And on this end, we had planted salads, but we had already harvested them because they were already ready. So yeah, and more that these were paprika, and just ahead, these are other corn maize that we've planted. And we also planted some few onions which are there, just a few. And yeah, right on the black basin that you see, that is where we planted our sweet potatoes. So keep on enjoying. So we've come to the end of this video. If you've enjoyed it, kindly thumbs up my video and leave me your comments, letting me know what you think about my farm produce. Thank you.
Live kommt. Mama auf Spinat kommt.